And we tell you that this is a system that works. As you can see, this car, I've just been given a ticket. Can you see that? So this is what the system that a lot of you don't understand in Nigeria. Kò ní láti morning. Kò ní láti báyàn kankan rojọ́. How are you? Kò ní láti báyàn kankan rojọ́. Kò ní láti báyàn kankan pariwo. O ti la tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì mọ́ nísìn. Ẹni tó ní mọ́tò yìí nísìn tó bá dé, a rí tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì. Ó sanwó kò sanwó. Òun àti ìjọba lọ́jọ́ máa fa wàhálà. Tá a bá ń sọ. A system that works will have to contain everything. Ìdí tí Nàìjíríà ò ṣe work ni pé arákùnrin yìí nísìn ṣe rí pé òun ti ṣiṣẹ́ tiẹ̀. Èèyàn kankan ní láti bá jà, èèyàn kankan ní láti nà lẹ́gba, ó ti la tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì mọ́, èèyàn kankan ní láti fà á láṣọ ya. So ìdí tí a ṣe, and kí ni ìdí tó ṣe fún ní tó ṣe fẹ́ ni ní tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì? Ṣe rí ibi tó páàkì sí, kò ń ṣe ibi tó yẹ kó páàkì sí. But òun ti lọ nísìn ṣe rí, ó ti lọ ń tiẹ̀ civil enforcement, kò sí ìtó kan, kò báyàn kankan rojọ́, kò báyàn kankan pariwo, ó ti ṣiṣẹ́ tọ̀dọ̀ tiẹ̀, ó ti lọ. Màá wá sọ ìdí tó ṣe fún ẹni ní tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì, ṣe rí pé ẹni yẹn ti gba tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì nísìn. Ṣe rí, tá bá ń sọ fún yín pé, let me turn my camera around. Tá bá ń ṣàlàyé fún yín pé ìdí tí nǹkan ṣe ń work nílé is because we don't have a system. Until tá bá ní system, nìkan máa rọrùn for everybody. Ẹni tó fún ní tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì nísìn, tóun bá dé nísìn, á rí tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì yẹn, ó ti di dandan kó sanwó tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì yẹn. Ṣe rí tí kò bá sanwó tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì yẹn, wàá kọ́kọ́ fún ní 14 days grace. 60 pounds ní tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì tó wà lára mọ́tò yẹn nísìn. 60 pounds lẹ́ni yẹn máa san. 60 pounds that person is going to pay for parking in the wrong place. I will show you why. Sherry, can you see the floor? Let me turn the camera around. Now, ìdí tó ṣe fún ní ticket is because the car is not meant to park on this spot. This spot is dedicated for the electric vehicle. That is the reason why tó ṣe fún ní ticket. Can you see? He's already got a ticket. So I'm going to cross the road so that I can show you. The reason why that person got a ticket, as you can see, ó ti lọ park mọ́tò ẹ̀, is not meant to park the car very close to the electric vehicle only. The government has already warned the person parking that he should not park his vehicle because that car is not an electric car. The only car that is allowed to park on this spot is an electric vehicle. And that is why that person has been given a ticket. So why will you not then want a system like this? The question is because Nigeria knows that the moment a system is working like this, everybody will have a better life. But they don't want you to have a better life. So this car now has got a ticket. It cannot appeal it because, as you can see there, it says electric vehicle recharge point only. But yet, this person has been given a ticket. And this is the next generation. Can you see it? This is where your crude oil will no longer have any value. Can you see that? I have shown you this so many times. Chetiri, right? I have shown you this so many times, as you can see. So, and talk funny ticket, anything, or ti deba anything. You know, that was very quick, is it? Yeah, I know these things happen. Because I saw him when he was given the ticket and he's gone already. But
that's his job. I know I parked.
Yeah, Shegbo. Yeah. There's no place to park, but at the end of the day, you know, they're not good at all. I was just saying to my followers on Facebook, you know, why this system here is different from Nigeria. Sherry, listen. Sorry, I'm not showing you anyway. So now, Sherry put the ticket, listen. Can you see that? It's called penalty charge notice enclosed. Ẹni tó ní mọ́tò, ìyẹn ti dé báyìí. Ẹni tó ní mọ́tò, tẹ́ bá wo ẹ̀yìn mi. Ẹ rí pé ẹni tó ní mọ́tò, òun ló wà lẹ́yìn mi yẹn. Òun dà. Sherry kò tẹ̀ bọ́dà mọ́. Sherry òun ló ń lọ yẹn. Ó kúkú ti gba ticket. So now ó ti sanwó parking nìyẹn. 60 pounds ló ti san yẹn nísìn. This person will òun ló ń lọ yẹn nísìn. Woman tó ń lọ níwájú yẹn. Because ibi tó park sí is the wrong place. So is òfin ní is the law. So until we all obey the law, nothing is going to work in Nigeria. The reason why it's not working is because everybody disobeyed the law. It's a lawless country. Nigeria is a lawless country. That is why everybody is struggling. And until, can you see? They are looking for, if you find a cat, let me show you. Let me show you this. Can you see? Animal found. RSPC. Can you imagine? They've already found a cat. Description cat. It was found on the 23rd of October 2020. If you are the owner of the cat, you need to call this number 0300 1234 9999. The above described animal has been taken by the RSPCA. If this could be your animal and is now missing, please contact us. Can you imagine? And that is the reference number. Also, if you are interested in adopting an animal, those at home needs a lot of people we need to adopt. That is why we have so many agency, NGO. So the question now is, these are things that you guys do not understand. Look again, right? Missing animal is found. They are now telling anybody that has lost their animal. Do you know how many people is missing in Nigeria? Do you know how many people have got lost? Do you know how many people we don't know where they are? Because they've been kidnapped and nobody is looking for them. So this is what we are advising you, that a new nation will allow you to have all these benefits. I have just shown you a vehicle that has been given a ticket because the person parked on the wrong side of the street. She's not meant to park there. She knows, but she said there's no parking in your Konjobarara. This is how local government is meant to be making money. So let me come back here again before I go. Now, if you look at this, the reason why the local government, this money now is for the local government. It is not for the federal government. I mean, it's not for the, this money that this person, right, is going to be paying is going to the local government. Local government, lo ni owo yi, and it is going to be accounted for. And the reason why the person was given a ticket is because the person has parked a vehicle on an electric vehicle point, recharge point only, rather than look for another bay. But sometimes you cannot find a bay in your Konjoba. Problem here. So she's meant to take the car somewhere else. So this is what a lot of you at home don't understand, why we, the diaspora, are saying until we have a level playing ground field where everybody has the right, just the same way like the animal. Before I go again, because I haven't got time this morning, can you see that? The question is, how many of your family have got lost? Do you have a number? Do we have anybody looking for them? Do you know how many people are missing in Nigeria as we speak right now? Boko Haram is kidnapping people. Fulani people are killing you. Do you know how many people Fulani has killed? Do you know how many people is in the captive's hand of the Fulani people? Now, this country is even saying those that have lost their animal, a cat. Can you see that? Cat. And I'm sure some of you donate money to RSPC, but this is part of what they do. So if you've lost your animal, you call that number and they'll look for it. So let me now explain this to you again. When we say to you that Nigeria will never work, because the moment all these systems are put in place, people will stop asking questions. Now, can you see that? So can you see? Right? Parking suspension, no loading between 18th of November because they might have to do a gas work. And this is what they don't want you to enjoy. This is what they lie every day, like that man, Lai Mohammed, right? Can you see? This is another, most time when there's an event, you are not allowed to park in this area. Can you see that? Can you see that? Right? Now, look up again, and we always say there's a crime in UK as well. Criminals, be aware, you are now entering an area where premises are forensically protected by smart water. Can you see that? So any criminal that wants to enter this area, they are telling them, warning them that the whole area is smart water. But in Nigeria, do you know how many crime is committed every day? Do you know how many crime is committed every day? But yet, nothing is working. And it will never, 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 never in a million years work. These, again, can you see? Right? How many of you are paying MTN and all those nasty people, but yet you don't get any good service for it? You know? So what am I trying to explain to you this morning? Before I bring the broadcast to an end, my job is to bring your notice to the situation of how country is run. Let us run a Yoruba nation for 2 years. Everyone need 2 years. Give us 2 years to run a Yoruba nation. You will understand that the life of the people will be meaningful. Give us 2 years. Give us just 2 years. Let them run a Biafra nation. You will understand where we are coming from. It is not a shit hole. Every lamp, can you see? If there's a fault on that lamp, this is the number I have to call. Can you see that? 0500 236 458. And they also have a reference number. Full lamp. So the question now is, are you not tired of Nigeria? Do you want to continue in a shithole country where they don't respect any one of you? So this is what we are saying every blessed day. Let us end Nigeria and let us move away from it. Have a very good morning, good afternoon. Thank you very much. It's not going to be long. I just wanted to bring to your notice that your shithole 774 local government will never, never, never work. A lot of you, can you see? Right? This is what your local government is meant to be looking like. Yesterday, I showed you a different area. This is another area this morning. Every day I'm out, I will show you different area and why we must end Nigeria. This is another local government. Can you see how beautiful it works? But they will never, 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 never allow it to work because they know the drill. Thank you very much, every one of you. Until we end Nigeria, some of you will not understand what it means to have a good life. And good life means a lot to us for you. Our people have been subjected to so much abject poverty. The Yoruba land that has so much vast amount of resources have been converted to now a poverty land. And it is time that we tell the Fulani, we will wake up the minds of our people. Can you see it? This bus, can you see that? Can you see it? Does this look like the one in Lagos? Let us end Nigeria. Have a very good morning. I hope to be back again at 11 o'clock on Star Radio UK. And at 12 p.m., we'll be back again. Nigeria at the verge of breakup. I won't be able to mention all your names, but I can say good morning to everybody. Enjoy the rest of the morning. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon. We will end Nigeria. Cherry media, la ma kọ́kọ́ fi pa yín. Cherry gbogbo tó fẹ́ kẹrí yẹn. Gbogbo tó ń parọ́ fún yín. Tí local government chairman yín tó máa di olówó tó máa kọ́ hotel. Tí kò fi jẹ́ kí wọ́n lé àǹfààní láti ní nǹkan tó dáa. We will end everything. Bye for now.